Owning a Tesla Model 3 is like stepping into the future. But did you know your car can do way more than you think? From hidden settings to smart shortcuts, today we're diving deep into Tesla Model 3 tips and tricks every owner needs to know. Whether you're a new owner or a Tesla veteran, stick around. Because tip number 10 might just blow your mind. Master the regenerative braking. One of the first things you will notice driving a Tesla Model 3 is how it slows down the moment you lift your foot off the accelerator. That's regenerative braking, and it's more powerful than most owners realize. But here's the trick. You can adjust it in your settings for smoother control. Go to pedals and steering and tweak the regenerative braking strength to match your driving style. Want to maximize range? Keep it on standard. Prefer a smoother coast? Try low. This simple setting can add dozens of miles to your range over time. Hidden voice commands. Tesla's voice control system is far smarter than most people use it for. Sure, you can say navigate to Starbucks, but did you know you can say things like turn on dog mode, set temperature to 70 degrees, open glove box, or even my butt's cold to turn on your seat heater. These aren't just fun Easter eggs. They make your drive truly hands-free. Try experimenting with casual language. Tesla's AI understands way more than you expect. Smart Summon Secrets. Tesla's Smart Summons feature is famous, but most owners don't know its hidden limits. It works best on flat, open parking lots with clear visibility. Here is the pro tip. Use it from the Tesla app while maintaining a line of sight with your vehicle. And if your car hesitates or pauses, give it a little directional help by tapping the screen. Tesla's AI is improving constantly, but for now, it is best to test it in controlled areas first. You will impress people and keep it safe. The secret camera mode, Sentry View. Everyone knows Tesla has Sentry Mode, but did you know you can view the footage directly from your phone? Connect your car to Wi-Fi, open the Tesla app, and tap on Live Camera. You'll get a real-time look around your car from every angle. You can even talk through the external speakers to surprise someone near your vehicle, or just freak out your friends. It's security and entertainment, all in one. Cabin overheat protection. Ever left your car parked in the sun for hours? The Model 3 has a setting that keeps the interior from turning into an oven. Go to Safety, Cabin Overheat Protection, and enable it. You can choose to use the AC or just fans, depending on how much battery you're willing to use. This feature can keep your electronics and your pets safe, especially in hot climates. The hidden screen gestures. Tesla's touchscreen isn't just a display, it's packed with hidden shortcuts. For example, swipe down from the top of the screen to close menus instantly. Hold the camera icon for instant recording. Long press on icons to rearrange your favorites. And triple tap the battery percentage to see your exact remaining energy in kWh. It's small things like this that make your Tesla feel more like a smartphone on wheels. Voice navigation shortcuts. Instead of typing destinations, say commands like, navigate to nearest supercharger. Find charging stations along my route. Cancel navigation. Tesla's navigation AI also updates routes live based on real-time traffic data, meaning your car is constantly adjusting to get you home faster. It's like Google Maps, but smarter and integrated directly with your energy consumption. Tesla Theater and Easter eggs. Long road trip or charging session. Tap the entertainment icon to unlock Tesla Theater. You can stream Netflix, YouTube, and even play games directly from your car. And for Easter eggs, say, open Santa Mode or play cowbell. You'll discover hilarious surprises built into your software. Tesla adds new ones with almost every update, so check Toybox often for fresh fun. Over-the-air updates. Most cars get old. Your Tesla gets smarter. Every few weeks, Tesla pushes software updates that add new features, improve range, and even boost acceleration. The trick? Always connect to strong Wi-Fi at home and enable advanced updates in your settings. You might wake up one morning and find your car can do something it couldn't yesterday. That's the magic of Tesla's ecosystem. Scheduled charging and climate control. If you charge overnight, use the scheduled departure feature. It preconditions your battery and interior for your morning drive, saving energy and extending battery life. Go to charging, scheduled departure, and set your time. It even warms your seat and defrosts windows in winter, automatically. It's one of the most underused, energy-saving Tesla tools that can add years of battery efficiency. Bonus tip, Driving visualization customization. The Tesla display shows surrounding cars, cones, and road lines. But did you know you can zoom, tilt, and adjust the viewing angle by pinching the display? This helps you see blind spots better and gives a futuristic feel to your ride. And if you're using FSD Beta, it becomes an even more detailed real-time map of your environment. Tesla ownership is about discovery. Every update, every drive reveals something new, and these hidden features make every mile more exciting. So, which of these Tesla Model 3 tricks surprised you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments, and if you learned something new, hit like and subscribe to Mototech Homes for more futuristic car insights. Because with Tesla, the future isn't coming, it's already here.